Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at rate of change and recognizing the relationships. So I've got two graphs here. I would like you to pause the video and think about what is the relationship on these graphs. Hopefully you've already paused it and have thought about what is happening in these graphs. So the first graph we are going to be looking at is a car traveling. So we've got distance and we've got time. Now if we've got a straight line, that is just stating that the car is, this graph is on a car traveling at exactly the same speed over a period of time. So that just means we are not taking into any consideration lights, accelerating or braking. Let's have a look at this next one. Theatre ticket price. So it goes up slightly when price is increased, and then the profit starts to go down. So the relationship is that slightly increasing the tickets will result in increased profits, but the higher the price, the less profits, because the effect is that there'll be less people going to the theatre because of the prices are too high. So I've left one graph and we are going to draw it together. I encourage you to have a go. A competitor is in a 10,000 meter race or 10 kilometer race. So I would like us to think about us doing a graph based on the speed and distance. So for me, I'm going to do speed and distance. Now, for me, I think about if we are starting to run, what point are we starting at? We are starting at our speed is 0. So I always think about with speed, just like a car, it always starts at the origin 0, because our distance is 0, our speed is 0. When we run, we like to get into a pace because it makes it easier for us. But we don't get into that pace straight away. It takes time. So for me, I like to think about we slowly get to a pace that we want, and then we are quite consistent for the rest of the race. So if you have thought of another way to draw a graph, as long as you are able to explain the relationship and why you perceive that way, then that's fine. But this is my understanding of running and putting it into a graph form. Really hope that helps you understand how to recognize relationships. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.